All right. What's up, fam? It's your boy Darren with Darmac Builds and Brightway Insurance. And my day is done. We had to pour. Again, I hope you guys are paying attention. We're done. This is the front of the house. This is the inside where we did the inside slab. This is it here. This is the kitchen. This is an extension of the kitchen. Now you really can't see it, but those columns are poured. This is poured. That's poured. All over there is poured. We're gonna strip it tomorrow. This was 5,000 psi concrete. Don't ask me why, but we got it. We're builders, people. This is what we do. Not practice. I'm not pouring this. I can pour this because since I have another concrete pour coming up. I didn't really work too really concern myself about these two here because I still want to probably move this pool pipe. Okay, so you're gonna see a little bit more. I hope you guys are paying attention, staying focused. Those columns report, you can't really see it, but you'll see it once we strip it. That's the gazebo. Okay. Everything's kind of like the same, but it's not the same because we done poured everything. All right. Okay. My day is done. Peace.